Now today we have to solve exercise 5.3 એટલે કે આજે આપણે સ્વાધ્યાય 5.3 ના ઉકેલો જોઈશું. We know that d by dx of x equals to 1 એટલે કે x નું x પ્રત્યે વિકલન 1 થાય તથા d by dx of y means dy by dx. Similarly, differentiation of x into y. So here we apply multiplicative rule એટલે કે અહીંયા આપણે ગુણાકારનો નિયમ વાપરીશું. તો x અચળ d by dx of y plus y into d by dx of x. It means x into dy by dx plus y ડેરિવેટિવ ઓફ x with respect to x equals to 1 એટલે કે x નું x પ્રત્યે વિકલન 1 હોવાથી xy નું વિકલન x into dy by dx plus y મળશે. હવે દાખલા નંબર બીજો 2x plus 3y equals to sin y. Now we differentiate with respect to x એટલે કે x પ્રત્યે વિકલન કરતા 2 d by dx of x plus 3 constant અચળ d by dx of y equals to d by dx of sin y. Now dx by dx equals to 1 plus 3 into dy by dx equals to derivative of sin એટલે sin નું વિકલન cos y into અંદરના પદનું વિકલન એટલે derivative of inside term y. So 2 plus 3 dy by dx equals to cos y into dy by dx. Now both the term taking dy by dx common એટલે આ બંને પદમાંથી આપણે dy by dx સામાન્ય લઈશું. તો આ પદને જમણી બાજુ લઈ જઈએ અથવા આ પદને આ બાજુ પણ લાવી શકાય. તો dy by dx in the bracket cos y minus 3 equals to 2. Therefore dy by dx equals to 2 upon cos y minus 3 જે આપણો ફાઇનલ આન્સર થશે. Now one more sum number 4, xy plus y square equals to 10x plus y. So d by dx of xy plus d by dx of y square equals to d by dx of 10x plus d by dx of y. Now here we apply multiplicative rule એટલે કે અહીંયા આપણે ગુણાકારનો નિયમ લાગુ પાડીશું. તો x into dy by dx plus y into dx by dx plus ડેરિવેટિવ ઓફ y સ્ક્વેર એટલે y સ્ક્વેરનું વિકલન 2y ઇન્ટુ ડેરિવેટિવ ઓફ વિધાઉટ પાવર સો y એટલે કે ઘાત વગરનાનું વિકલન ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ ડેરિવેટિવ ઓફ 10 એટલે 10 નું વિકલન sec સ્ક્વેર x ઇન્ટુ ડેરિવેટિવ ઓફ x વિથ રિસ્પેક્ટ ટુ x એટલે કે x નું x પ્રત્યે વિકલન 1 થશે એટલે sec સ્ક્વેર x ઇન્ટુ 1 plus dy by dx. So x into dy by dx plus y derivative of x with respect to x 1 એટલે x નું x પ્રત્યે વિકલન 1 plus 2y dy by dx equals to sec square x plus dy by dx. હવે dy by dx વાળા બધા જ પદો એક બાજુ લઈને તેને કોમન લઈશું. taking dy by dx common on both the term on all terms. So dy by dx common x plus 2y minus 1 equals to sec square x minus y. Therefore, dy by dx equals to sec square x minus y upon x plus 2y minus 1, which is the final answer જે આપણો અંતિમ ઉકેલ છે. Now sum number 6, x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube equals to 81. Now differentiate with respect to x એટલે x પ્રત્યે વિકલન કરતા d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of x square y plus d by dx of xy square plus d by dx of y cube equals to d by dx of 81. Therefore, derivative of x cube એટલે x cube નું વિકલન 3x square plus multiplicative rule એટલે ગુણાકારનો નિયમ વાપરીશું x square dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x square. Again multiplicative rule એટલે અહીંયા ફરીથી આપણે ગુણાકારનો નિયમ વાપરીશું x d by dx of y square plus y square d by dx of x plus derivative of y cube means 3y square into derivative of y, and right side 81 is constant term, so derivative of 81 equals to 0 એટલે 81 અચળ પદ છે તેનું વિકલન શૂન્ય થશે. Therefore 3x square plus x square dy by dx plus y into x square નું વિકલન 2x x y square નું વિકલન derivative of y square 2y into dy by dx plus y square derivative of x equals to 1 plus 3y square dy by dx equals to 0. Now taking dy by dx common on all the terms, so dy by dx in the bracket x square plus 2xy plus 3y square and remaining term taking on right hand side, so minus 3x square minus 2xy minus y square, taking minus common on all terms of right hand side, so minus 3x square plus 2xy plus y square. Therefore dy by dx equals to minus right hand side term divided by x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. Therefore our final answer dy by dx equals to minus 3x square plus 2xy plus y square upon x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. Now sum number 7, sin square y plus cos xy equals to k. Therefore d by dx sin square y plus d by dx cos xy equals to d by dx of k. Now derivative of sin square y એટલે કે sin square y નું વિકલન 2 sin y into derivative of sin y without power, so cos y into dy by dx plus derivative of cos minus sin xy into derivative of xy, and derivative of k 0. Therefore 2 sin y cos y means sin 2y dy by dx minus sin xy into multiplicative rule x constant derivative of y dy by dx plus y constant derivative of x equals to 1 equals to right hand side 0. Split the bracket. Therefore, sin 2y dy by dx कौंस छूटा करता माइनस x sin xy dy by dx minus y sin xy equals to 0. Taking dy by dx common, therefore dy by dx in the bracket sin 2y minus x sin xy equals to y sin xy. Therefore dy by dx equals to y sin xy upon sin 2y minus x sin xy, which is our required answer જે આપણો માગેલ ઉકેલ છે. Now sum number 8, y equals to sin inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square. We differentiate with respect to x એટલે x પ્રત્યે વિકલન કરતા dy by dx. First we derivative of sin inverse x. So એટલે કે સૌપ્રથમ આપણે sin inverse નું વિકલન લખીશું 1 upon square root of 1 minus bracket whole square. So 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Now derivative of inside term એટલે કે અંદરના પદનું વિકલન. So d by dx 2x upon 1 plus x square equals to 1 upon square root of, taking LCM, so 1 plus x square whole square minus 2x whole square means 4x square divided by 1 plus x square whole square. 1 plus x square whole square. Now here we apply division rule, quotient rule. So 1 plus x square constant derivative of 2x minus 2x constant derivative of 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square whole square. So this term goes on to numerator એટલે કે આ પદ છેદના છેદમાં હોવાથી અંશમાં જશે. Means 1 plus x square divided by root 1 plus 2x square plus x raised to 4 minus 4x square into 1 plus x square into derivative of 2x equals to 2 minus 2x into derivative of 1 equals to 0 and derivative of x square equals to 2x. એટલે 1 નું વિકલન 0 અને x square નું વિકલન 2x થશે. Divide by 1 plus x square whole square. So one term should be cancel એટલે કે એક પદ ઉડશે. Therefore 1 upon square root of 1 minus 2x square plus x raised to 4 into numerator 2 plus 2x square minus 4x square divided by 1 plus x square. એટલે અહીંયા અંશમાં કૌંસ છૂટા કર્યા, છેદમાં એક પદ કેન્સલ કર્યું. Equals to 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square whole square into 2 minus 2x square divided by 1 plus x square. So taking 2 common on numerator એટલે અંશમાંથી 2 સામાન્ય લેતા 2 1 minus x square divided by square and square root remove. So modulus of 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square. Now if mod 1 minus x square equals to 0 implies x square equals to 1 implies mod x equals to 1. Therefore, if mod x equals to 1, then y is not differentiable એટલે y વિકલનીય નથી. mod x બરાબર 1 માટે y વિકલનીય નથી. Now, if mod x less than 1, then x square less than 1, therefore 1 minus x square is positive. So mod remove करते हैं तो माइनस प्लस होगा. Therefore dy by dx equals to 2 divided by 1 plus x square. mod remove करते हैं तो प्लस साइन होगी तो ये दोनों टर्म कट हो जाएंगी तो फाइनल आंसर 2 divided by 1 plus x square होगा. If mod x greater than 1, then x square greater than 1. Therefore 1 minus x square is negative. So mod remove करने से माइनस होगा. सो हमारा फाइनल आंसर dy by dx इक्वल्स टू -2 upon 1 plus x square होगा. So once again, if mod x less than 1, then dy by dx equals to 2 divided by 1 plus x square. If mod x greater than 1, then dy by dx equals to -2 upon 1 plus x square. And if mod x equals to 1, then y is not differentiable. प्रीवियस सम हमने विदाउट ट्रिग्नोमेट्री से सॉल्व किया था. अब ये सम हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री से सॉल्व करेंगे એટલે કે આગળનો દાખલો આપણે ત્રિકોણમિતિનો ઉપયોગ કર્યા વગર નો ઉકેલ મેળવ્યો. હવે આ દાખલાનો ઉકેલ ત્રિકોણમિતિનો ઉપયોગ કરીને મેળવીશું. સો લેટ x equals to tan theta એટલે કે x બરાબર tan theta ધારી લઈએ, જ્યાં theta belongs to tan inverse નો વિસ્તાર ગણ વિવૃત અંતરાલ -π/2 થી +π/2. theta belongs to open interval -π/2 to +π/2. અહીં -1/√3 લેસ દેન x લેસ દેન 1/√3 આપેલ છે. Here -1/√3 less than x less than 1/√3 is given. Therefore x की जगह tan theta रिप्लेस करते हैं. Therefore 1/√3 means tan π/6 and -1/√3 means tan -π/6. Remove tan function. Therefore -π/6 less than theta less than +π/6. Now multiply by 3 on each term. So -π/2 less than 3 theta less than π/2. Equation number 1, result number 1. Now y equals to tan inverse, x की जगह tan थीटा रिप्लेस करते हैं, 3 tan थीटा माइनस tan क्यूब थीटा डिवाइड बाय 1 minus 3 tan square theta, which is the formula of tan 3 theta. જે tan 3 theta નો સૂત્ર છે. Therefore y equals to tan inverse tan 3 theta, and 3 theta lies on the range of tan inverse function by result number 1. એટલે કે 3 theta એ tan inverse ના વિસ્તારમાં છે from 1. So we write y equals to only 3 theta. જે આપણે પ્રકરણ 2 માં ભણી ચૂક્યા છીએ. નાઉ y equals to 3 theta equals to tan inverse x. Therefore, dy by dx equals to 3 derivative of tan inverse x, and we know that derivative of tan inverse x equals to 1 upon 1 plus x square, which is the final answer જે આપણો અંતિમ ઉકેલ છે. Now sum number 10, y equals to sin inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square whenever 0 less than x less than 1. ધારો કે means let x equals to tan theta. Therefore, theta belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. But here it is given that 0 less than x less than 1 એટલે કે અહીં 0 less than x less than 1 આપેલ છે. Therefore, tan 0 less than tan theta less than 1 equals to tan pi upon 4. Remove tan function. So 0 less than theta less than pi upon 4. Multiply each term by 2 એટલે દરેક પદને 2 વડે ગુણતા 0 less than 2 theta less than pi by 2. Result number 1. Now from original function y equals to sin inverse x की जगह tan theta रिप्लेस करते हैं 1 minus tan square theta डिवाइड बाय 1 plus tan square theta, and this is the formula of cos 2 theta જે cos 2 theta નું સૂત્ર છે. Therefore sin inverse cos 2 theta, and we know that sin inverse x equals to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. So pi by 2 minus cos inverse cos 2 theta. Now from result number 1, 2 theta lies on the range of cos inverse function. So result number 1, from 1 we write pi by 2 minus 2 theta and replace the value of theta એટલે કે theta ની કિંમત અહીંથી પરત મૂકતા pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. Now we differentiate with respect to x on both sides એટલે બંને બાજુ x પ્રત્યે વિકલન કરતા d by dx of pi by 2 minus 2 d by dx of tan inverse x. Derivative of pi by 2 equals to 0, constant term pi by 2 અચળ પદ હોવાથી તેનું વિકલન શૂન્ય થશે. minus 2 derivative of tan inverse x એટલે tan inverse x નું વિકલન 1 upon 1 plus x square જે આપણો ફાઇનલ ઉકેલ છે. Now sum number 14, y equals to sin inverse 2x square root of 1 minus x square where minus 1 by root 2 less than x less than plus 1 by root 2. So here we let x equals to sin theta એટલે અહીં આપણે x બરાબર sin theta ધારીશું, where theta belongs to range of sin inverse function minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Now condition is given that એટલે અહીં શરત minus 1 by root 2 less than x less than plus 1 by root 2 આપેલ છે. Therefore sin minus pi upon 4 less than sin theta less than sin pi upon 4. Therefore remove the sin function minus pi by 4 less than theta less than plus pi by 4. Multiply each term by 2 એટલે દરેક પદને 2 વડે ગુણતા minus pi by 2 less than 2 theta less than plus pi by 2. Result number 1. Now y equals to sin inverse, replace the value of x, means x ની કિંમત પરત મૂકતા 2 sin theta square root of 1 minus sin square theta equals to sin inverse 2 sin theta into mod cos theta. But theta lies on the fourth and first quadrant, and fourth and first quadrant cos theta is positive, એટલે કે theta એ ચોથા અને પ્રથમ ચરણમાં જે ચોથા અને પ્રથમ ચરણમાં cos વિધેય ધન થાય માટે મોડ દૂર કરતા પ્લસ ચિહ્ન આવશે. So sin inverse 2 sin theta into cos theta equals to sin inverse sin 2 theta. 2 theta lies on the range of sin inverse function by result number 1. એટલે પરિણામ 1 પરથી કહી શકીએ કે 2 theta એ sin inverse ના વિસ્તારમાં છે માટે y equals to 2 theta. So 2 into sin inverse x, because x equals to sin theta, therefore theta equals to sin inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equals to 2 constant derivative of sin inverse square root of 1 minus x square, એટલે sin inverse નું વિકલન 1 upon root 1 minus x square થશે, જે આપણો ફાઇનલ ઉકેલ છે. Now sum number 15, y equals to sec inverse in the bracket 1 upon 2x square minus 1, where 0 less than x less than 1 by root 2. So let x equals to cos theta. Therefore theta belongs to range of the cos inverse function 0 to pi. But here 0 less than x less than 1 by root 2 is given. Therefore cos pi by 2 less than cos theta less than cos pi upon 4. Therefore in first quadrant cos is decreasing function, એટલે પ્રથમ ચરણમાં cos ઘટતું વિધેય હોવાથી છેડાની કિંમત ઉલટસુલટ થશે. Therefore pi by 4 less than theta less than pi by 2. Therefore pi by 2 less than 2 theta less than pi. Result number 1. Now y equals to sec inverse 1 upon 2 cos square theta minus 1 equals to sec inverse 1 upon cos 2 theta. Formula of cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1 equals to sec inverse sec 2 theta. Now 2 theta lies on the range of sec inverse function, એટલે કે 2 theta એ sec inverse ના વિસ્તારમાં છે, equals to 2 theta from result number 1 equals to 2 cos inverse x, theta equals to cos inverse x. Now dy by dx equals to 2 constant derivative of cos inverse is minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square, which is our final answer, જે આપણો અંતિમ ઉકેલ છે.